Juliet? Can you hear me, Juliet?
Morikawa-sensei! You're alive?
Can you hear me, Juliet? My prized student. It is impossible to rest in peace with all this going on.
Sensei, are you alive? Maybe he's trying to take a nap.
His voice is all ghosty and creepy and weird. It's a sure sign he's dead.
Yes, dear. I am contacting you from the land beyond words. I'll guide you the best I can, but the reception here is terrible, so listen carefully.
Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei.
Really, Nick? The fate of our whole town is in the balance and you're gonna take the time to mock me? I just heard you. You're right there.
It was the wind or something.
Please, both of you. Juliet, you must first get close to Kirabini. But be careful. He is, shall we say, cranky.
You keep saying that, but things are getting harder and harder. Oh, shit! A goddamn building is falling on us!
Love you as much as I love cheeseburgers!
Oh, good. Zombies that shoot laser beams out of their eyes. Yeah, I felt like something was missing.
I'll try to use something as a shield and get closer.
Shit, another fucking building!
I don't know if I haven't gotten this far in my training.
It's gonna be okay. Just listen. Keep doing what you've been doing. We have to think.
Don't leave me alone, Juliet.
Oh, this dude has tried to grab me more than Father O'Malley. Jump on his body!
Did you see the way that dude's head back there splattered all over everything? If I had put you in a mailbox, you would have missed that. It was pretty cool.
He's shown his true form, and it is ugly!
Juliet, can you hear me? Listen carefully as our connection is tenuous. You must do as I say.
Okay.
You're making good progress. A path will open for you if you move ahead, through his mouth and into his body.
Well, I'm pretty good at keeping guys out of my body. Ever tried getting inside of someone else's?
Go, Juliet, now, before the hole closes.
But my daddy! No!
You must go into Killer Billy's body before the hole your father created closes. His weakness is inside his body.
I can't.
Juliet, listen to me. You have to go now. Your dad did what he did because he trusted you. Show him he was right to believe in you.
Okay, Nick. Let's get this over with.
Ah!